Hello, I'm Sandra McDonald. I'm the former public guardian for Scotland. As well as being legally qualified, I have a nursing qualification and have worked as a sister on an intensive care unit, as well as managing a litigation department in a large National Health Service trust. As well as my professional experience, I have personal experience in adults with incapacity, looking after my father through his dementia. Adult incapacity issues can be both difficult and sensitive. Applying adults with incapacity legislation with our ageing population is becoming more and more commonplace for health and social care professionals, for third sector practitioners and family law solicitors. But knowing how and when to make best use of the legislation can often be very challenging. This is my online learning course on all things adults with incapacity, taking you from policy to practice, offering you the legal concepts without the legal jargon. There are 22 videos with related case studies and activity over 6 key sessions: the principles, power of attorney, capacity assessing, guardianship, supporting decision making and dealing with conflicts and challenges. I'm Sandra McDonald and this is my Policy Hub course on adults with incapacity.